Here's my list of things I always check when the engine doesn't start for the season. Does it have oil? That's because some engines actually have oil sensors that will cut out the engine if you don't have enough in there. Take a look at the spark plug, make sure it's not totally gummed up. Next, we're going to check for spark by actually putting the boot back on and just laying it against a piece of metal. If you see a spark in there, you know you're good. It's kind of hard to tell, but I did see one. I need to take off this cover because I need access to the carburetor inlet. I'm going to shoot a little starting fluid in there. That will tell me if it's the carburetor that's gunged up or if it's a timing issue. With the throttle open, shoot just 1 or 2 little quick sprays of starting fluid. That is a great sound, and now I know exactly what the issue is. It's ethanol gas, and it was sitting too long, separated, and gunged up the carburetor. Take off the outer bolt, and there's one on the inside. Save those for up on top, and make sure that you do add some extra nuts and bolts in there so you get really confused at the end of the project when you have some left over. Fuel line came in from back there, so let's cut it off at the source. I'm shooting carburetor cleaner into all the nooks and crannies, getting all that gunk out. Number one issue with carburetors is the ethanol separates from the gas. That's why you always try to use ethanol-free gas, and it will sit in there and separate, and then it gungs up all those little ports for the main jet, and it doesn't allow fuel to get up into the throat of the carburetor. So clean all of those out really good. Make sure you can see daylight through the ports, and that makes a nice clean path for the fuel to get into the engine. Sometimes carburetor cleaner through these little ports isn't enough, and so what I like using is, well, compressed air. All you got to do is just shoot it through all the little holes, and you are golden. And if you don't have an air compressor, well, grab a wire brush, and these bristles are the perfect size to go through all of the little holes.
If the engine was running great the season before, then 99% of the time it is the carburetor. And the great thing about small engines are, well, they're pretty much all the same setup, so it doesn't matter if it's a snowblower or mower. The disassembly and cleaning is pretty much all the same. That's all I got. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.